On students, let's start reasoning. Chapter 1, Alphanumeric Symbol Series. This is the first chapter of your book. Number series. In a number series, the number changes in accordance with certain specified rule or order, like as 1, 2, 3, so on in number series. Now let's discuss about the types of series. The first type is arithmetic series, second geometric series, third series of squares and cube, fourth is miscellaneous number series. Series is the base of reasoning, so it is necessary to know about series. It means that we can say that the arithmetic mean we have to follow BODMAS in arithmetic or take numerical values as their operands and return a single numerical value. So it is basic things about arithmetic series. Now we can see the real meaning of arithmetic series. The first type, it is the first type of a series, arithmetic series. In arithmetic series, the number in two continuous series increase or decrease in a definite order. Let's see here example. One example also there about the arithmetic series. 14, 21, 29, 38, 48, 59 and question mark. How we remove this question mark? So we have to know what is the thing to use here to remove this question mark. Now expression is there. 14 plus 7 we get 21, 21 plus 8 we get 29, 29 plus 9 we get 38, 38 plus 10 we get 48, 48 plus 11 we get 59 and 59 plus 12 we get the answer. Now example number 2, 34. How we go to 18? 34 minus 16, 18, 18 minus 8, 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 6 minus 2, 4 and 4 minus 1. This is the second example of arithmetic series. You can see here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. It means that just double. So the answer is 3. 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. The correct answer is 3. Now second type, it is geometric series. In it, the next number is obtained by either multiplying or dividing the last one by a definite number. It is the general information about it. Now example 4, 9, 26, 105, 524 and again question mark. How we have to remove it? Solution. 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 we get 9. 9 multiplied by 3 minus 1 we get 26. Here plus 1 and minus 1. You can see here plus 1 and minus 1. Same 26 multiplied by 4 plus 1 we get 105. First plus 1 minus 1 then again plus 1. So 105 multiplied by 5 minus 1 we get 524. Here minus 1 use. Now the next number is 524 multiplied by 6 plus 1. You get the answer 3145. You can see the rule here. Which rule is follow here? Which order is follow here? The order is multiply by 2 plus 1, multiply by 3 minus 1, multiply by 4 plus 1, multiply by 5 minus 1 and multiply by 6 plus 1. You can see here a note also. In it you can see and easily understand this note. Now third is series of square and cubes. In it the number in a series increases or decreases in squares or cubes and which are generally near to certain square or cube. Now let's see the example of square and cube. 3, 7, 16, 32, question mark and 93. So explanation also there. 3 plus 2 square equals to 7. 7 plus 3 square equals to 16. 16 plus 4 square equals to 32. And 32 plus 5 square equals to 57. So here 57. 32 plus 5 equals to 57. Then 57 plus 6 square equals to 93. You know very well. 2 square equals to 4. 3 square. So 57 is the correct answer. Same way, the another example of cube. This is another example of a cube. Here you can see 1 cube equals to 1, 2 cube equals to 8, 3 cube equals to 27, 4 cube equals to 64, 5 cube equals to 125, and 6 cube equals to, yes, 216. Correct. The correct answer is 216. Good. This is the example of square and cube. Now fourth is miscellaneous number series. In this number series, numbers can increase, decrease by addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, arithmetic, geometric progression, etc. So arithmetic, again arithmetic here means we can use here BODMAS. Now example you can see here how we can reach 120 to 60, 60 to 30. So solution here, if we can divide it by 2 we get 60, 60 divided by 2 we get 30, 30 divided by 2 we get 15, and 15 divided by 2 we get 7.5. So the correct answer is here 7.5. 15, half of 15, 7.5. So answer is 7.5. This is the base. Thank you guys. Thank you. Morning students, let's start.